Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to delete Windows.old folder in Windows. So without further ado, let's get right into it. What is the Windows.old folder? The Windows.old folder stores your previous Windows installation after an upgrade. It acts as a safety net in case you want to roll back to the earlier version. If you're sure you don't need to revert, deleting it can free up tens of gigabytes of disk space. Warning: once deleted, you cannot go back to your old Windows version. You can delete the Windows.old folder using storage settings, disk cleanup, or the command prompt. The safest method is via disk cleanup. Methods to delete Windows.old, Windows 10 and 11. Using disk cleanup, type disk cleanup in the search bar and open it. Select your system drive, C, and click OK. Click Cleanup System Files. Select your system drive, C, again and click OK. Check previous Windows installations. You may also check other options if desired, but be careful and ensure you know what you're deleting. Click OK, then delete files. Using storage settings, open Settings, Windows key +I. Go to System, then Storage. Select Temporary Files. Check previous Windows installations. Click Remove Files. Using Command Prompt, open Command Prompt as administrator. Run the command. This forcefully removes the folder. Things to keep in mind: automatic deletion. Windows will automatically remove Windows.old after 10 days post-upgrade. Admin rights required. You must have administrator privileges to delete it. Irreversible. Deleting Windows.old means you cannot roll back to your previous version. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.